Need big blending power without the bulk? Let's check out the Ninja Fit, a compact blender that punches above its weight. The Ninja Fit packs cafe-grade blending into a compact package. With its powerful 700-watt motor and sharp four-prong blades, it tackles ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens with ease. One of the most powerful personal blenders you can buy. You're in control with a simple push-to-blend interface. No confusing buttons, no programming. That simplicity makes it more reliable. Fewer things to break, and it instantly stops blending once you let go. Cleanup is nearly effortless. Unscrew the blade cup and rinse it or pop it into the dishwasher. Even the base just needs a quick wipe. No complicated parts, no scrubbing in hard-to-reach spots. A few considerations. The two included 16-ounce cups are ideal for single servings, but thicker blends may need a quick shake mid-blend to catch any stubborn chunks. This is a corded-only model that isn't designed for hot liquids. If cordless convenience matters, check out its little brother, the Ninja Blast. The price is hard to beat, around $60, often dropping to $55 or less on sale, making it a budget-friendly powerhouse. On top of all that, replacement parts are easy to find. Official 16-ounce cups, sip and seal lids, and blade base assemblies are sold by Ninja, and reputable third-party options are available too. If a cup cracks or a blade dulls, you don't have to toss the whole unit. Just swap the part and keep blending. Overall, the Ninja Fit gives you powerful cafe-quality blending in a compact, reliable, and budget-friendly package, perfect for anyone who wants hassle-free performance in a small form factor. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy blending!